Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking, coming from Nashville, Tennessee. Here again for work. Just had an interesting conversation with a friend of mine and noticed in our dialogue that what a lot of us are pursuing is not what we really want. A lot of us are pursuing joy, happiness, peace, riches, sex, desires. But what we really need to do is connect to a nature or a natural sense. That's how we get energy and are inspired and recharged. We have to connect to something higher, not spiritual, not religious in that sense, but connect to something that is above us. And I find that energy is more commonly and readily available with nature or in nature. I find that we feel more at peace or energized looking at a sunset, watching the waves roll in, even right now listening to the rain. And however the hum of cars going by on the road is involved with it, it's still nature. And feel at peace. Even though I'm away from my family and really away from everybody else, I feel peace, feel charged. So, I'm telling you, get out there, do something more, get active and interactive with nature. See you next time in the friendly skies. Peace.